Start. Per contra, learned AGA opposed the prayer of the applicants by contending that judgment of the apex court in the case of Asian resurfacing of road agency private limited and another Supra has not been overruled till date. Stop. He further submits that the submission advanced on behalf of the applicants is not liable to be accepted as the same is wholly misconceived. Therefore, the relief as sought by the applicants is liable to be rejected. Para. Having heard the arguments of the learned counsel for the parties, I find that the case of Asian resurfacing of road agency private limited and another Supra has been decided by 3 judges bench of the apex court. Stop. The relevant paragraph numbers 35, 36 and 37 of the said judgment are reproduced here in below. Para. In view of above situation of proceedings remaining pending for long on account of stay needs to be remedied. Stop. Remedy is required not only for corruption cases but for all civil and criminal cases where on account of stay civil and criminal proceedings are held up. Stop. At times proceedings are adjourned on account of stay. Stop. Even after stay is vacated, intimation is not received and proceedings are not taken up. Stop. In an attempt to remedy this situation, we consider it appropriate to direct that in all pending cases where stay against proceedings of a civil or criminal trial is operating, the same will come to an end on expiry of 6 months from today, unless in an exceptional case by a speaking order such stay is extended. Stop. In cases where stay is granted in future, the same will end on expiry of 6 months from the date of such order unless similar extension is granted by a speaking order. Stop. The speaking order must show that the case was of such exceptional nature that continuing the stay was more important than having the trial finalized. Stop. The trial court where order of stay of civil or criminal proceedings is produced may fix a date not beyond 6 months of the order of stay so that on expiry of period of stay proceedings can commence unless order of extension of stay is produced. Para. Thus we declare the law to be that order framing charge is not purely an interlocutory order nor a final order. Stop. Jurisdiction of the High Court is not barred irrespective of the label of a petition, be it under section 397 or 428 CRPC or article 227 of the Constitution. Stop. However, the said jurisdiction is to be exercised consistent with the legislative policy to ensure expeditious disposal of a trial without the same being in any manner hampered. Stop. Thus, consider the challenge to an order of charge should be entertained in a rarest of rare cases only to correct a patent error of jurisdiction and not to reappreciate the matter. Stop. Even where such challenge is entertained and stay is granted, the matter must be decided on day-to-day basis so that stay does not operate for an unduly long period. Stop. Though no mandatory time limit may be fixed, the decision may not exceed 2-3 months normally. Stop. If it remains pending longer, duration of stay should not exceed 6 months unless extension is granted by a specific speaking order as already indicated. Stop. Mandate of speedy justice applies to the PC Act cases as well as other cases where at trial stage proceedings are stayed by the higher court, that is, the High Court or a court below the High Court as the case may be. Stop. In all pending matters before the High Courts or other courts relating to PC Act or all other civil or criminal cases where stay of proceedings in a pending trial is operating, stay will automatically lapse after 6 months from today unless extended by a speaking order on above parameters. Stop. Some courts may also be adopted by civil and criminal appellate revisional courts under the jurisdiction of the high courts. Stop. The trial courts may, on expiry of above period, resume the proceedings without waiting for any other intimation unless express order extending stay is produced. Over.